The mission of CANSAR, Cancer Survivors Against Radon, is to prevent radon-induced lung cancer and save lives, and we do that through three ways: education, outreach, and advocacy. CANSAR was founded some years ago by a group of radon-induced cancer survivors. Just recently we lost the last founding member, Liz Hoffman. So at this point, no one in the organization has survived radon-induced lung cancer that was part of the original founding group. And I think that's just, sadly, that's the fact. And the facts are most of our members simply don't live long enough to have the impact that they would like to have. The Kentucky Association of Radon Professionals was founded in, I believe it was 2008. We do things like educate our legislators, a lot of advocacy issues. This past session we supported a bill that would have required radon testing in our daycare facilities. 2 years ago, actually 3 years ago now, we were instrumental in drafting the model language for the radon contractor certification law. And as a result, I think that we've made radon more of an issue that's top of mind, or at least on the radar for our legislators. As far as where we're at with policy in Kentucky today, in 2011, we freshened the contractor certification law that passed through the legislature, was signed by Governor Beshear in July of 2011. That formed a committee, and the committee is now working with the cabinet to promulgate the regulations. Those regulations have been completed, and we're simply waiting for them to make their way through the regulatory approval process, which should be sometime this year. In addition, that really put us in a position to start focusing on risk reduction type of bills. And the first bill that came out this year would have required daycare testing one time every 5 years for radon. We passed unanimously in the House, but we didn't get the vote taken up on the Senate side just because of timing, quite frankly. So we really see ourselves positioned from a policy standpoint in Kentucky to focus more on risk reduction and less on contractor certification, because we've already crossed that hurdle.